I think that you just die.
That's why your bird is dead.
That's why you're gonna die.
He's not gonna die.
Oh, he will.
Oh, bad.
In my version.
Did he die in your version?
No. Nobody died except for that one dude.
Shelby?
That dude.
Oh, Shelby. Oh, that's part of the game. Why did she get so mad at Jason dying? It's not like they can't make another one.
Yeah.
Unless she's gone Baron or something.
No.
Dog Baron.
It's because she has like Konami tendencies.
Yeah, I do see Konami syndrome.
I'm not even gonna try.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean.
Yeah, no, Konami, like, teeth and mouth syndrome.
I promise, you won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
They're not...
Give me damn tits.
They're not going anywhere, are they?
Come on, honey.
I love that.
Give me the tits. Like, why? Jason, God, you're the ugly one?
Yeah, you get hit with that ugly stick.
Fucking Sean got hit by the ugly train.
Jason!
Just stand there, just let him walk off. Don't even give him a fuck. Jason's a bad child if he just doesn't wander off like that while you're staring off in his face.
Jason!
You just go in stores.
Jason!
Just
Jason!
stand there and masturbate.
Jason!
Dude, kind of hurt.
You get Jason in the store.
Oh.
Jason! Jason!
Dude, that guy's like your clone.
Jason! Jason!
What, is it a clone?
Just a guy that walked by with just something.
What?
Why did you guys have to go in there by yourself?
Jason! 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 Jason!
People
Jason!
well modded my Gary's mod so that you can
Jason!
just press X and it with Jason.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Just walk past him.
Jason! Jason!
I can't X anymore.
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I'd
Please,
really
Dad.
love to have one.
Come on.
Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy the balloon.
I think they look greasy.
Hey, champ! What's your name?
Jason.
Which balloon would you like,
Package
Jason?
dog?
The red one.
Red one
There
like
you go.
a dog cock.
Yeah. What are you teaching that kid?
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Clown is the reason he dies.
Yeah, dude.
If you want to trace it back.
Maybe this one. No. How about maybe no. I'm gonna touch my butt for a little bit. Maybe this side of my butt. Maybe.
Cover.